If you have issues with mobile data not working properly on Samsung Galaxy A57, let me show you what you can do to try to solve your issues. So first and foremost, you can simply reboot or restart your Samsung Galaxy A57. It might sound silly, but sometimes a quick reboot can be actually helpful. Besides that, we can go to settings, and in here, if you open connections, then we should be able to find the SIM manager. Actually, before we move on to the SIM manager, I want to show you more connection settings. In here we can find a VPN option, and of course if you do have a VPN set up on your phone, you might want to temporarily disable it, just in case, to see if that is helpful, if that can help you. Sometimes VPN might have some issues, maybe servers are not working properly at a given moment, so of course you can turn it off, at least for now, and see if that's gonna help. Also, we have the private DNS option, so if you provided the private DNS hostname, you might want to switch back to automatic, at least for now, once again, in order to see if that helps. Besides that, we can go to the SIM manager, and in here we should be able to find a couple of options, especially if you have two SIMs active on your phone. You want to make sure that the correct SIM is used for mobile data, or that the mobile data is activated. And here we can also find the data switching and backup calling. So this option allows the phone to switch between both SIMs on your phone in case one of them has like a poor connection or something. So of course this might be the reason why suddenly the SIM is switched for mobile data, and why you might have some issues with the mobile data because of that. So you might want to turn this option off. Also, if we go to the, let me actually go back, if we go to mobile networks over here, we should be able to find the network mode, and of course we have the access to 5G, and you probably want to see if your mobile data works correctly with 5G enabled. Of course, this is only for those who have switched to LTE or 4G connection instead, so you might want to temporarily switch it back in order to see if that helps. There is also the network battery saver, which saves the battery by limiting mobile network performance when your phone is at home and connected to Wi-Fi. So of course, if you decided to use mobile data after all, of course this can be the reason why the mobile data might not work properly. So you can turn this option off for now, once again, to see if it helps. Now, besides these connection settings, another thing that is quite important to do, something that you can do, is you can go to General Management, and then in here we can open the Reset menu. In here, in Reset, we should be able to find Reset Mobile Network Settings option, and if you do have two SIMs active on your phone, then of course you want to choose the SIM that you use for mobile data, and then you want to reset these settings. And once you reset these settings, you want to straight away just check if the mobile data is working correctly, if there are still some issues or not. If there are no issues, and if you made some significant changes, you can go back to the SIM manager, for example, in order to check if everything is set up as it was. But usually you want to do this one step at a time, and then check if you don't mess anything up with the mobile data because of your changes. And of course, in mobile networks as well, you want to check these options too. And if none of this helped, then of course, one thing that you can consider, although it is pretty rare, and this can happen, and to be precise, the server outages. So of course, your operator or service provider or carrier, however you call it, they might have some issues with their servers. Maybe there's an issue with the signal, maybe something goes wrong, maybe there was like a bad weather or something, and of course this can cause some issues with the mobile data. So in this case, you can try to contact your operator if you really want to know about this, or you can try to search if there's like any website where you can check outages near your area to see if the signal is working correctly. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.